like this. So I'm gonna pick my hair off. So there's a lot of wind outside. And I'm gonna do my hair. So I got some water ready pouring here. So I'm gonna do my hair like this. So I have water filling right here with the rain, like so. I can also wash my face. Okay, like a really nice like bar of soap. I usually, when it's raining, I like to come off and wash my face, brush my teeth sometimes. Just because I like to be out in nature. I take it like a camping, like a way of like sometimes I have to do this because there's situations at my mom's house that she doesn't like or that she likes, and right now for me the most comfortable thing is to wash my hair outside sometimes when it's raining. So yeah, this is me right here. How I do. It's nice and simple. It's a storm today, and it's raining really heavily. And I'm good. I got some signal going on right now, so yeah. So I'm currently washing my hair outside in the rain while it's raining and pouring. Yeah. So this is how it is. So this is me right here. I catch you guys later. This is me right now. So in the rain. So you see the clouds going on here. This is where I'll just wash my hair. So windy and cloudy. It's raining really bad today. Like cats and dogs. But you know, you're a girl washing my hair outside in the rain. One of the best things that I've done. It's like the 4th time already since I've done this. Even the puddles are going on right now. Look. So yeah, reporting live. Yeah, reporting live from this rainy day here in the US. So catch you guys later. And yeah, well, you know, you see some of these water droplets here. Well, I got myself some shampoo and yeah, this is how we do it. Catch you guys later. It's not snowing, it's raining really bad. Getting water. So nice. Catch you guys so good. I'm getting wet already. You guys, this is the best rain. This is some good rain. Catch you guys later. Ta-ta, bye-bye. Blessings to you and yours. And have fun, you guys. Stay safe.